days are back at Don Valley North Toyota. The newly redesigned 2024 Tacoma is available to test drive. Visit DonValleyNorthToyota.com. The forecast with Jill Taylor.
A pleasant day on the way. Sun and cloud. Heads up for rain tomorrow. Strong wind, too. Right now, the wind out of the north-northwest, 17 kilometers per hour. It will be a light rain today for the most part. Still some cloud, 9 degrees at Toronto Pearson. The guaranteed high today, 19.
680 News Time, 7:33.
The public inquiry into foreign interference in our last two elections is in its final day of its current stage of testimony. And today, it's set to hear from its biggest witness yet, the Prime Minister.
680's Kevin Meisner's here live to set the scene. Kevin.
Yeah, Paul, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau expected to take some tough questions about what he was told and how he responded to allegations of foreign interference in the past two federal elections. He's expected to appear around 2 o'clock this afternoon. The commission will also